In this video, I'll show you how Juji uses the power of generative AI to auto-generate a personality for your conversational survey chatbot quickly and efficiently, helping to speed up both development and deployment. From within the Juji platform and using the conversational survey chatbot you created previously for Weight Watchers, click to clone it. This has created an exact replica. Click Manage. On the top menu, click Chatbot Settings. From here you can choose from one of the many chatbot names or choose to define a custom persona where you get to choose both the image and name. Choose Albert. Under the section titled Describe Your Chatbot Personality, add 3 adjectives separated by commas. For example, kind, compassionate, empathetic. This will be automatically saved. Head back into Design and Main Chat Flow. Click on the welcome message. You will notice that the dialog for the welcome topic card is very generic and lacks personality. Click to edit your chatbot message. Now click Auto-Generate Paraphrases. Under the Set Generation Parameters, you'll notice the first box asks for the number of paraphrases to be generated. Leave this as 3. Next, you'll see the option Customize Messages by Chatbot Personality. Toggle this on. For this demonstration, you don't need to change any other settings. Click Auto-Generate. You will notice you now have 3 paraphrases you can choose from that have more personality, which are based on the adjectives you chose earlier. You can choose none, all, or select the paraphrases you want individually. Click Done. Now click View All Paraphrases. You can now see the original dialogue plus the others you generated and chose. Now highlight the one you like by clicking it and then click Select. This will now be the default dialogue. You can now see your updated welcome message. Remember that you can do the same now for each topic card, ensuring you apply your new personality adjectives.